Brought to you by.
At just 13 years old, Nasseen Reid already knows what he wants to be in life and is on his way to get there. From New Buckfield in Ocheria, St. Anne, Nasseen spends most of his time here, in what he calls his studio, practicing to become a music producer. The Brownstown High School student says although he's been around the music production for years, it wasn't until last year during the pandemic he decided to pursue his dreams.
July the 17th, my phone did mash up, miss. And they all have a tablet using. And like I see something pop up on studio and YouTube, miss. And like at the same time as it pop up, yeah, I start listening to some rhythm. Then time me and my friend AG, yeah, we did do comedy like that, do comedy. And when I say, no, so this is not going to work for you. I will start listening to rhythm and use to record yourself on phone and them something there.
Downloading the requisite software, he started to practice. He then managed to get in touch with a producer who helped him to grasp the basics of the profession. As time passed, he was able to purchase additional equipment through monies he saved, along with the donations from his family and friends.
I have audio interface, I have a component set box, I have a mic, a pop filter, a mic stand, a headphone, and a laptop.
At first, he was renting a space for his studio. But when that proved costly, he decided to build his own shop. The space is small, but his dreams big.
Trying to achieve what I can achieve in life. Like me, like traveling, go on this big tour, get collab with big producers like YGF, Not Nice, Yomish, and International.
The support he gets from his friends and family keeps him going.
Some like daughters and say, of course, I'm doing. But we can't make them that we stop doing what we are. We just have to do what we are doing and listen to who have the better advice.
It is very rare to find a 13-year-old wanting to do the better side of music and also helping others.
He's encouraging other youths to go after their dreams.
Just find something contract with you, build a shop, try to do something that you know what, you can make it go worldwide, and even not worldwide, still can do something that can make money and them things.
With a ray of hope, I'm Kayan Morgan.
A ray of hope brought